Priya. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial. I will be showing you guys a step-by-step process in order to achieve this full gold and pink glam look. Also, if you're new on my channel, welcome. Like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon for new upcoming videos. I have already moisturized and primed my face, which is so important before you put any makeup on your face. I'm using the Moodstruck eyeshadow palette number 2 in the shade Cocky, and I'm applying it gently, shaping my eyebrows with my angle brush. Using the MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Wear Concealer, I am priming my eyelids and shaping my eyebrows for a more sharper look. And I'm slowly dabbing the concealer on my eyelids with a wet beauty blender. I'm using this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, using the shade Fresh to set my eyelid and the shade Bloom, and I'm slowly buffing it around my crease area with my fluffy brush to give my eyes a little bit of definition. I'm using the MAC Full Coverage Concealer to cut half of my crease using the concealer brush, slowly dabbing the product from the inner corner of my eyes and spreading the product towards the middle. I'm using the Fresh shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm setting the concealer on my eyelids so it doesn't crease easily. I'm using the shade Saturn from the Galaxy Chick palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm applying it towards the inner corner of my eyes and I'm blending it. People who use BH Cosmetics eyeshadow products know how super pigmented these are. Finally, I'm using the shade Steampunk, and I am dabbing it in the middle of my eyes to blend all the colors together. The two eyeliners I'm using is BH Studio Pro Waterproof Gel Eyeliner and High Precision Black Eyeliner to create the wing look. I absolutely love this Wet n Wild black pencil eyeliner. It is very easy to apply and it just looks amazing and gives your eyes the bold look. For foundation, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear shade Casio foundation for full coverage. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix concealer in order to conceal under my eyes and highlight the spots I want to. And in order to contour my face, I'm using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. my favorite Huda Beauty loose setting powder. I'm using it to set my face. For bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Bronze Boost in the shade medium to dark. And I'm applying it on the hollows of my cheek, my forehead, and around my chin area to give my face definition. Using the Mineral Touch Pressed Powder from Unique, I am applying it on my neck area to ensure that the color of my face and my neck match. This glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills is amazing. I'm using the shade Forever Lit and Daydream to highlight my cheekbones, on top of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. Let me know, guys, what other glow kits do you guys recommend? For lipstick, I'm using the Milani Cosmetics line in the shade number 15. It's called Gorgeous Magnifique. Finally, I'm lining my lower lash line with the Moodstruck Addiction Shadow Palette number 2 from Unique in the shade Peppy, and I'm finishing my look with the MAC Finishing Mist. So this is the final look, guys. Gold and pink glam look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching.